Hey everyone, so I see this quite a lot where people want to add or to have more than one lead magnet and add them to one long-term nurture sequence or email sequence, whatever you want to call it. So I have this strategy that I use really well with clients to organize. First is to organize their automation, and this is to make sure that in the long run you know where to find what automation and what triggers that they have, or definitely just for the long-term purposes of it to audit, and so it's easier for you to fix and tweak along the way. So if you can't find any of your automation in the future, you're having a hard time, difficulty in doing that, then that could be a problem. So this is always thinking long-term benefits in organizing your automation. So first, on the left side is your opt-in flow. Then on the right side would be the long-term nurture flow. What I like to do with Activecampaign is always to add contacts using the form. It's always advisable to use a form because it allows you to double opt-in and do some other neat things with it. So first is for the form. The actions should be to add them to a list because that's given, and to have them a tag. Now the only highlight in this video is for you to have an action tag. Action tag would be a tag to trigger the start of automations. So actions, so let's say for example you have Leadmagnet. Your lead magnet would be for an FB ads checklist. So the tag would be something on the line that goes action : LM delivery FB ads checklist - start or -start. So that is just for Activecampaign to know anywhere that they are to start an automation to deliver the lead magnet for the FB ads checklist. So on the actual automation, this is on the form side of things. So this is for the automation side of things. So on your automation, it should be triggered with tag added. Then choose that start tag that you have created for the lead magnet delivery, the start tag. Then you need to remove that tag from that contact. So it is only to trigger an automation. It is used to trigger an automation. So make sure that before you send out the email sequences or anywhere in the automation, it's always safer to remove it first, just to make sure that you don't forget it. Alright, so remove the action tag, then send them the email sequence. Next, on the end of your email sequence, whatever actions that you want to have in there or goals, then you can add another start tag. So if you want to start the long-term nurture or the indoctrination email sequence, then you can add at the bottom of the automation the start tag for the indoctrination campaign or the long-term nurture campaigns. So that's it. That's how you will set up all your lead magnets automation or for the delivery of it. Now on the long-term nurture, same process. Add the action tag for the indoctrination or the long-term nurture, LTN. Then you need to remove that tag. Then add or have the email sequence. So what this does, let's say for example, you're trying to audit or you're trying to review all the automation that you have which leads to the indoctrination campaign. So all you have to do is just to search for tags, go to manage tags, search for that start tag, and then you would clearly see all the automation that has in the long-term nurture start, the action tag for the long-term nurture. So like I said, you might not find this useful for like if you're having just 2 or 3 automations inside Activecampaign, but I don't think that you will only have that, especially that you're really looking to grow using Activecampaign. So this is for you to take into consideration long-term organization and easier tweaking and improving your automation performance. So I hope you find this helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.